Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming a simple SVG image into a stunning piece of embroidery using my Bernina 990. The Embroidery Legacy Digitizing software along with the Bernina 990 is game-changing when it comes to turning SVG images into amazing embroidery designs. With the advanced technology and the user-friendly interface, it opens up a world of creative possibility. I'll be transforming a simple SVG image into a stunning piece of embroidery. I downloaded this simple SVG from Creative Fabrica and uploaded it into the Digitizing software. Not all embroidery software is created equal, but the user-friendly Embroidery Legacy Digitized software and its advanced features makes it quick and easy to produce high-quality, one-of-a-kind embroidery designs. I've used only a few of the software's features to create the final design. Another key feature is viewing the video redraw, watching a stitch out on the computer, allowing you then to make changes such as stop-start points, reordering the sequences, removing unwanted stitches, and the list goes on and on. This image came in several different formats, but I decided to use the SVG file for this one because I could go in and manipulate the different parts of the nodes and make the image more user-friendly. With the Digitizing software, I was able to click each part with different kinds of fills and stitch designs and make this beautiful image here. So I was able to put in fills and different type of stitches in here to the different shapes. These diamonds were made with the art tool and then chose this diamond shape and converted it. And I made this circle around the sun along with a circle shape around it also. So it made a completely different looking image than what it started. So it started with a simple design, added a few small different details, and it came into a really nice complex type of shape. And each one of these little sections had a different kind of fill. Some are fancy fills, some are just generalized fills, some are satin stitches or steel stitches. Just very, very intricate, beautiful designs. They give it a lot of dimension. And also we can look at it in 3D to see what it looks stitched out. You can change the colors on the color platform on the bottom to see how you would want to do different colors when you stitch this out. You can see how big your design is going to be, what type of fabric you use, and how many stitches overall. Gives you a lot of detail here, what to expect and what you want to make. Once it's complete, your design is then uploaded onto a USB in the format that your machine is able to read, and you're able to start stitching this out. So let's go ahead and download this, get over to the Bernina 990 and load this in and start stitching this. Now this is a fairly large image, so I went ahead and got my giant hoop out and put some nice thick stabilizer on it. And along with my denim, I also put some stabilizer on the back of that. And it's floating on the top, pinned down along all sides. This first stitch is an outline stitch where I'll be placing some HTV glitter vinyl on here. And that will be the backdrop. It's going to be a gold glitter and it's going to shine through all the embroidery it's put on here. I do like to do a lot of layering, kind of mixed media embroidery sewing type of designs, and this is just one of them. I love embroidering on top of HTV. So I'll go ahead and start here. You can already see some of these fancy fills here. I got out a bunch of different colors of oranges and yellows that we're going to be stitching out this pattern with, and I have them all lined up ready to go. And since I know the sequencing of this pattern, I know which one comes next. I have them just kind of lined up here in front of the machine and change them out. And these on this Bernina 990, they change out very quickly. Once it stops and goes to the next color, within probably 30 seconds, I can move on and get this rethreaded and it starts the next one. So it's very quick and easy with a single needle machine just to keep this moving right along when you have to change colors a couple of times. And I did speed this up. So you can watch this kind of in a little bit faster time, and it's just mesmerizing to watch. So I'm going to put on a little music here and let you watch this stitch out here over the next few minutes and enjoy the process. It's just really fun to watch. And as you're watching, just hit that like button down below, leave me a comment, tell me what you like about this picture, and if you'd like me to see anything else digitized and bordered out, just let me know. And also subscribe. I would love to have a lot more subscribers out there that are interested in machine embroidery and digitizing. And I'd love to hear from you and see a lot more often in my video feeds here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Mine is looking amazing. You won't believe how this is stitching out. I can't wait to take this out of the hoop and show you what this looks like. It just glistens in the light, and the depth and the fills on these stitches are just outstanding. Now, all you Bernina owners out there, hit that subscribe button and view my next videos as they come up, as I sew more with my Bernina 990. There's just wonderful designs and capabilities this machine has. I'll be showing more from the machine itself and more from the digitizing software. Now let's take a close look at these stitches, and you'll see how the Bernina 990 has brought this design to life. The combination of satin stitches and fill stitches creates this beautiful textured look that wouldn't be possible without this wonderful digitizing software that has all these wonderful fill stitches and satin stitches incorporated in it. And come join me on this next crafting adventure. I will see you then.